How to use Todoist and Google Calendar together. Two-way sync. Let's log into your Google Calendar and to your Todoist account. In order to connect or sync your Todoist to your Google Calendar, open the settings of your Todoist, which can be found when you click your profile on the upper right of the screen. Go to Integrations and you will find the Google Calendar. Click the Connect Calendar and you'll be redirected to a Google confirmation page. Just follow the steps, and once done, you will open a new window asking for your permissions if you want your Google Calendar to access your Todoist account. Just click Agree and fill out all the necessary information Todoist will be asking you. And once done, just click Connect, and there you go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.